Hey everybody, what's going on? My name is Austin, and today it's time for a brand new video. Now, this is going to be pretty straightforward. This is going to be pretty quick. It's going to be how to actually make a face cam in Sony Vegas. This should hopefully take me no longer than 5 minutes. Let's jump right into it. So first things first is you want to make sure you have both your clips in Sony Vegas already. So I have my face cam at the top and my desktop screen capture in the bottom. So I'm going to guess that if you're doing this type of footage with the face cam, the corners and stuff, you're going to be doing tutorials, you're going to be doing video game gameplay, you're going to be doing like PowerPoint commentary, stuff like that, right? So what you want to do is whenever you're editing, you want to make sure that your face is at the very, very top. Make sure that anything else, like your screen captures, like your video game footage, is down below. So I have my face cam footage at the very top, then I have my desktop screen capture down below. So my face will appear on top of my desktop screen. It's quite straightforward. So what you want to do first is you want to click on your actual face or whatever clip has your face cam on it, go to the far right, go to the event pan crop icon, and now that's where you can actually mess around and adjust where your face is located on the screen. So with the video event FX window, you can actually adjust by clicking the top right corner of like the square. You can adjust the size of your face on the screen, so you can zoom in, you can zoom out, and of course you can move it around wherever you want to. If you have what you want to watch in the project media window, that's where you can see where your face is actually located. So since this is a face cam, I want to make sure that my face is relatively small, so I'll zoom out a fair amount, and now I'll simply just drag it into the top right corner. Use the arrow keys to adjust, and it's pretty much flush with the top right corner. You can zoom in a bit to get a bit more added accuracy, because as you can tell, it is a bit off, but that should be okay right there. Now, if you want to keep that sizing consistent with all your videos and that location consistent, what you can do is you can go to preset, you can save it, and you can just type in new face cam location. And you can press the save icon. So now when you're doing a new video, if you drop down from presets, you can actually see you have something called new face cam location. Now I already have dozens, or about a dozen different face cam locations, because I mess around a lot with video graphics and stuff in my videos. So as you can see, I have top right corner face cam, top left face cam, bottom right EQ bars, bottom right song title. I have a lot of these already saved. So when I do new videos, I can easily just snap these different video tracks to these different presets, so it's less editing time for me, and my videos look consistent when I post them all to YouTube. It's very convenient. So what I can do now is, if I just left it on default, as you can see, my face is in the normal position, I can simply just go click the drop down box under preset, go to new face cam location, and boom, I'm immediately in the top right corner of the screen. No hassle, super clean. Would recommend doing this. Now also, what I do recommend is going and actually making an overlay. So what I've done is, I'm gonna create a new video track here just to show this off quick. I've done something called, I made an overlay with a clear background, so this is very easy for me as well. So I already have an overlay saved of putting my face in the top right corner of the screen. Not in the perfect top right corner, not at the upper 90, but just kind of close in that region. Then I also have a face cam border that I put into place. Now mine is quite simple, but I'll be going over how to actually make a really cool, modern, sleek face cam border in the video, probably in about like 5 or 10 minutes from now. So if you want to say subscribe, definitely click that down below, get those post notifications. I'll be going over how to actually make a face cam border and how to make it look nice and clean and make it look really fancy. So this is how to make a face cam, or how to use a face cam with Sony Vegas. I hope you enjoyed it. This was helpful anyway. Drop a like button, or press the like button down below. It means the world to me. Subscribe for more videos like this and tutorials, and for that new face cam border tutorial coming out in probably the next couple of hours. And I'll see you guys soon. Thanks.